Good afternoon, children. Today we will be doing chapters 32 and 33. Let us get started. New words in dictionary. As language develops, words also evolve over time. Everything evolves over time. Each word has taken its own path in its own time to become a part of our language, to be used frequently enough by some in order to be placed in a reference for all. Neither the language nor the dictionary takes a vacation, means they never have a holiday. Each year, the Oxford Dictionary makes writing professionally easier and more interesting by adding new words along with its meaning to its dictionary. Write the correct words for the given sentences. Feeling irritable as a result of being hungry. So the word which is there for this is hangry. Hangry. Okay. H for hungry and okay, wait, let me write it into this one. You see, H for hungry, H, okay, and then this one angry. So the word becomes hangry. Okay, angry because of hunger. Next one, excessive criticism and negativity. This is called hatred. Hatred. Okay, so I'll use blue. Hate. Okay, hatred. Okay. Third one, the tendency to perceive a specific, often meaningful image in a random or ambiguous visual pattern. When I used to be small, I used to look up at the clouds and I used to figure out, famous personalities like Gandhiji sometimes, sometimes I had to figure out, some dolphins or fishes and sometimes even some animals looking at the clouds. So this is called pareidolia. Okay, this is called pareidolia. Even those moons, sunshines, Leo, Capricorn, Gemini is made by connecting the stars. So they are also a form of pareidolia, wherein people see things and they imagine some faces or some objects out of that pattern. Okay, but it is not that. It is not that. Fourth one, an inability to recognize faces. An inability to recognize faces is called proso agnosia. Agnosia. Was agnosia I'll write on in blue. Why I am telling? Prosopon means face and agnosia means don't know. Okay. Ignorance. Agnosia means ignorance. Means these people, they cannot remember faces of people easily. Okay. They forget and it is very common. Okay. Most of us, we remember 50 or 100 people's faces, not more than that. Our minds generally don't remember faces of people more than 100 or 200 people. Okay. You can find out yourself how many faces of people you remember by imagining them. Fifth one, an article consisting of a series of items presented as a list. So this is called listicle. Okay, there's a new word there, listicle. L-I-S-T, list, and for article, tickle. So I'll write down in blue. Okay, listicle. Okay, L-I-S-T for list, I-C-L for article. A language that has been artificially created, and this language is called Con language. Conlang. Conlang. A type of malicious software designed to block access to applications or files on a computer system until a sum of money is paid. So this is a new form of, you can say, malware attack, and it is called ransomware. Okay, like software. So, okay, wait, let me write down where in. This is the software part. Okay, where W-A-R-E and ransom. Oh, sorry, ransom it will be. Okay, I'll just erase it. Ransom, M will be there. SOM. Yes, ransomware. Okay. And last one, any form of currency that only exists digitally that usually has no central issuing or regulating authority. So this type of currency is called cryptocurrency, and famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Okay. Crypto and the another word is currency. Together, okay? It is all together, okay? Cryptocurrency. Okay, and the famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Let's move further up. Anything is there for us to do? So let me make it a little bit smaller, then it will move up faster. Yes. Now see here, who wrote the first dictionary in English? Okay, the first dictionary in English was written by Robert Cordray, and the year was 1604. I found it out. Okay, Robert Cordray. Okay, it took almost 50 years to create the Oxford English Dictionary. So many people worked on the Oxford English Dictionary, and it took them 50 years to create it. That is why it is means one of the most famous dictionaries in the world, Oxford Dictionary. Keep yourself updated with the latest new words of dictionary by making a list of new words with their meanings. So every year, every month, new words are being added. You can look up in the internet for that. Let's move on to the next chapter, chapter 33. It deals with awards and honors. Okay. So see here. Awards and honors are given for outstanding achievements in various disciplines like cinema, arts, literature, science, and public services, etc. Unjumble the following names of awards and write the correct name in the blanks given below. Let us read. This is an Indian literary award given to an author for his or her outstanding contribution towards literature. The first recipient of this award was Malayalam writer G. Sankara Kurup in 1965 for his collection of poems in Malayalam, Odakuzal, the Bamboo Flute, in 1950. So what is the name of this award? The name of this award is Jnanpith Award. Sorry, Jnanpith Award. Okay. Second one, this award is the highest honor bestowed upon a sportsperson for his or her achievements in India. The first recipient of this award was chess grandmaster Vishwanathan Anand in the year 1991-92. And this award is called Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. Okay. For excellence in sports. Next one. This award is given for outstanding contributions to public service, community leadership, journalism, literature and creative arts and international understanding. Acharya Vinoba Bhave was the first Indian to get this prestigious award for community leadership in the year 1958. The name of this award is Ramon Magsaysay Award. Okay. Next one. Let's move it a little bit up. Blas Iglesias Fernandez from Cuba became the first foreign coach to receive this award for his persevering contributions in boxing in the year 2012. This is an award presented by the Government of India for excellence in sports coaching. So the name of this award is Dronacharya Award. And I hope you all know who was Dronacharya. He was the teacher of Arjuna, okay, and many other historical characters. Last one. This is an annual American awards ceremony honoring cinematic achievements in film industry. Bhanu Attaiah was the first Indian to receive this award for the movie Gandhi, and this award is Oscar Award. Okay, every year in the month of February or March, I think they declare the winners. Okay. The Oscar statue weighs 6.75 pound and is 13.5 inches tall. Saraswati Samman is given in which field? Let me just tell you, it is given for excellent prose or poetry. Okay, prose or poetry written in any of the 22 languages, 22 official languages of India. Okay, any literary work, any excellent work of literary, either prose or poetry in 22 languages of India, we give this Saraswati Samman. Saraswati, you know, the goddess of knowledge. So that is all till here today. Okay, see you all again with chapter 34 next week. Okay, thank you.